In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress with Elementor. Whether you're building a brand new website or enhancing an existing one, this powerful tool can make your design process seamless and efficient. Let's dive straight in and guide you through the initial setup. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head over to your WordPress dashboard. If you're already logged into your account, you should see your dashboard with a menu on the left side. This dashboard serves as your control center, allowing you to manage every aspect of your WordPress site efficiently. In the menu, look for the Plugins option and give it a click. Plugins in WordPress are like apps on your phone. They add functionalities and features to your site without requiring any coding knowledge. Clicking this option will bring you to a page showcasing all the plugins currently installed on your site. Next, you're going to add a new plugin. Look towards the top of the Plugins page and you'll find an Add New button. Clicking this will open up a catalog of available plugins that you can integrate into your WordPress site. Here, in the search bar, type the word Elementor. Elementor is a page builder plugin that empowers you to create stunning layouts and designs using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Once you see Elementor listed in your search results, find the Install Now button next to it and give it a click. The installation process might take a few moments, so just hang tight while WordPress adds this powerful tool to your suite. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click this to complete the process. Activation essentially switches on the plugin, allowing you to utilize its features on your site. And there you have it. Elementor is now fully integrated with your WordPress dashboard. You're now ready to start building beautiful custom pages with ease. The next steps will involve exploring Elementor's design features and how they can be applied to make your site not only functional, but also visually appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different tools and layouts within Elementor to truly make your site stand out. As you become more familiar with Elementor, you'll discover just how flexible and user-friendly it is. Whether you're tweaking pre-existing templates or creating your own from scratch, Elementor offers a wealth of options to bring your vision to life. Don't forget to check out additional tutorials that delve deeper into its myriad features. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting Elementor started on your WordPress site. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your web design skills. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing the creative projects you'll